Hello again, welcome to another video review, and today we're looking at this lovely Citroen DS4 D-Style Airdream automatic, finished in the silver. Nice bright looking car, nice alloy wheels. It's got the massaging seat option. Half leather, all nice and clean inside. Got the discreet rear door handles. Plenty of room in the back. Parking sensors. Very stylish looking car. Decent amount of boot space. It's got the optional carpet mat. And then under there you've got a jack, toolkit, warning triangle, and the all-important locking wheel nut tool. Back seats fold flat to make a bigger load area. Just to notice a slight bit of scuffing just on that lower front bumper there. Apart from that, very tidy bodywork. Controls there for electric windows, electric door mirrors, 2 keys, got the stop start option, fuel release button there. All nice and clean. Steering wheel mounted controls, cruise control, speed limiter there, radio controls there, Bluetooth phone controls there. 55,000 miles with a full service history. Air conditioning, it's all blowing nice and cold. Automatic with the dual clutch automatic, so it's just easy to select from the lever there, back into neutral, and lift it up to go into reverse. All comes up on a display there, so you can see what's going on. Electric parking brake that comes off automatically. Also got tucked away in here socket there for USB and auxiliary input socket, and a 12-volt power socket. So tucked away inside that box there. There's plenty of storage, space under there. Glove box, DAB radio, obviously Bluetooth so you can connect your phone. Very nice to drive, very stylish car, very economical, low road tax. So low running costs all round. So So there you go. If you're looking for a stylish medium-sized hatchback, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.